Yes, there are many characters in the story, like the secretary of the examination board. Okay, the secretary of the examination board, first character. Second character, the governor of HM Prison, Oxford. Third is James Evans, a prisoner. Evans, the main hero of the story, a prisoner. Mr. Jackson, a prison officer. Jackson is a prison officer. Mr. Stephens is also a prison officer. So there are two prison officers. The Reverend S. McLeary and invigilator. Okay? Reverend means respected, sammanit. Mr. Carter, detective or superintendent, a new character, and Mr. Bell also detective, chief inspector. Yes, actually in this story, an exam of O-level is organized in the cell for Evans because Evans was much more interested in improving his qualification. So, precaution has been taken for conducting a foolproof examination. So first of all, there is a conversation between board officer and Oxford prison. All precautions have been taken to see to it that O-level German examination arranged in the prison first of all. Now all the precautions have been taken to see that an examination would be conducted and it should be conducted foolproof without any mistake. The exam should be conducted for Evans without any mistake. That O-level German examination arranged in the prison because German examination has been arranged in the prison, for Evans does not provide him with any means of escape because the governor of the Oxford prison does not want to give any chance to Evans to escape. Governor does not want to give any chance to Evans to escape from the jail. गवर्नर इवांस को कोई भी मौका जेल से भागने का देना नहीं चाहता है. Now it was in early March, final exam is conducted in the March. It was in early March when secretary of the examination board received the call from Oxford prison. It means a call comes from the Oxford prison to the board office. It is a slightly unusual request, Governor. Okay, Governor is the head of Oxford prison. Governor. Here, secretary. Okay, there is a conversation between governor and secretary of board examination. Now, a slightly unusual request, Governor. Governor, I am making you a humble request that I don't see why we should not try to help. That I think that we should try to help Evans if he wants to improve his education. We should help him. Just as one fellow you say, and you are saying there is only one man who wants to improve his education, his qualification. That's it. Okay. Chap called Evans. You told me the name of the boy is Evans. तुमने कहा था कि बॉय का नेम क्या है? Evans है. He started night classes in O-level German last September, and he was taking tuition. He was taking tuition of German language since last September. A teacher comes to him to give him tuition. Says he is that keen to get some sort of academic qualification, and it has been said that that boy, he is deadly keen. Okay, he is very keen to improve his qualification, improve to raise his academic standard. वो अपना एकेडमिक स्टैंडर्ड रेज करना चाहता है, इंप्रूव करना चाहता है. इज ही एंडिंग गुड? क्या वह अच्छा है? He was the only one in the class because he was the only student in the class. क्लासरूम से अकेला बच्चा है. So you can say he has had individual tuition all the time, and you are saying that he was getting tuition. He was getting tuition all the time. Really would have cost him a packet if he had been outside. If he would not be in the prison, if he would not be in the prison, he would be outside, and he wanted to improve his qualification. So for the tuition, for having the tuition, he would have to give fees from his own pocket. Okay, it would be the burden of his own pocket if he wants to pay the money to the tutor. Agar if he was not in the prison, he would be outside, he would get the tuition, it would be the burden on his pocket for paying the money. Well, let's give him a chance, shall we? Oh, let's give him a chance. We should give him a chance to improve his education. Oh, that's jolly kind of you. Really, you are very a jolly person, very humble person. What exactly is the procedure or now? What will be the procedure for conducting the examination? What will be the procedure, okay, of conducting the examination? Oh, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. I will be sending you all the forms and stuff. Oh, Governor, don't worry. Governor, don't worry. I will send you all the stuff and material for conducting the examination. मैं एग्जामिनेशन कंडक्ट करवाने का सारा मटेरियल खुद अपने आप भेज दूंगा. What is his name? You say Ivan. What is the name of the boy? What did you tell me? Evans. James Roderick Evans. It sounded rather grand. Okay, in speaking and listening, it looks a grand name, a big name. Just one thing, Governor. Governor, I want to ask one thing more. He is not a violent sort of fellow, is he? Just tell me, if he is not a violent sort of fellow, क्या वो झगड़े वाला इंसान तो नहीं है? I don't want to know his criminal record. Actually, I don't want to know his criminal record. मैं उसका criminal record जानना नहीं चाहता. Like that, but फिर भी no, there is no record of violence. No, he is not a boy of a type. He is not a sort of violent character. He is not a sort of violent character. वह उग्र स्वभाव का व्यक्ति नहीं है. Quite pleasant sort of chap. Really, he was a quite pleasant boy. Was a peaceful boy. As the people told me, with a card of peace. Really, he is a very sorry. He is a very peaceful boy. One of the stars at the Christmas concert. Now, he had been a star in Christmas concert. Christmas concert में वो star रह चुका है. Imitation से he copy someone. He copy someone. किसी की copy करता है. He has some ideal. You know the sort of thing. Mike Yarwood stuff. He does the copy of Mike Yarwood like that. No, he's just a congenital kleptomaniac. He's a very sensitive. Congenital means sensitive. He's a very sensitive kleptomaniac. if he is a good boy, if he's a good boy, so why was he in the prison? Actually, he is somewhat crazy for one thing, so he is behind the bar. इसलिए वो जेल के अंदर है. That's all. The governor was tempted to add something else. Governor wanted to tell something more about Evans to the Secretary of Board Examination. He thought better of it, but he thought that he had given complete information. He would look after that particular side of the things himself. Oh, if when exam will be conducted, he would look all the other side of it. जब एग्जाम होगा तो बाकी बारीकियां भी, बाकी मेथड भी, बाकी सिक्योरिटी भी देख लेगा. Presumably, oh, perhaps, said the secretary, you can arrange a room where, Governor sir, you will have to arrange a room. You will arrange a room for conducting the examination. Oh, no problem. He is in a cell on his own. He is now in his own cell. वो अपनी जेल की कोठरी में है. If you have no objection, he can sit the examination in there. If you have no objection, he can give his examination in his cell. Oh, that's fine. Really, it is very good. And we could easily get one of the persons from the St. Mary Mass to invigilate. And we can arrange a father. Parson here means father from the church for the invigilation. Actually, there should be an invigilator in the cell of Evans for conducting the examination. So we can arrange a father from the church, and church name is St. Mary Mass. Oh, fine, very good. Yes, yes. They seem to have a lot of persons there. I think that there are many persons, many fathers in that church. Don't they? The two men chuckled good-naturedly. Both the men start laughing at the phone. Really, oh, like that. And the secretary had a final thought. The secretary of the examination wanted to ask a final question. At least this one thing. Governor, I want to ask one thing more. You should not have much trouble keeping him incommunicado, should you? Sir, I want to ask that there should be no problem in having communication with Evans. Do you have any problem in communication with Evans? No. It's okay. The governor chuckled politely once more. Governor laughed on the phone one more time, repeated his thanks. Now, governor gave his thanks to the secretary of the board examination and slowly cradled the phone and slowly put the receiver on the cradle. It is known as cradle. Evans. The boy is Evans. Evans the Break. This boy is famous with the name of Evans the Break. As the prison officers called him. Prison officers called Evans with the name. And what is it? क्या है वो? Evans the Break. Thrice he had escaped from prison because he had run away from the prison 3 times. वो 3 बार जेल से भाग चुका है. So he has been given a name, Evans the Break. But for the recent wave of unrest in the maximum security establishment up north, no doubt there is a tight security. No doubt there is a tight security in the prison for conducting the examination, even though a wave of unrest, beshani, a wave of uneasiness is running in the mind of the prison officers or prison department. He would now be gracing the governor's premises in Oxford. No, I think that he would not be able to run away from the prison of governor. He would not disgrace. He would not disgrace the prison of governor. वो गवर्नर की जेल का अपमान नहीं करेगा भागने में. And governor was going to make absolutely certain, and even though governor was taking deep interest, in making all the arrangements for the examination for Evans. गवर्नर भी इवांस के लिए एग्जाम करवाने में बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट ले रहा था, बहुत ज्यादा टाइट सिक्योरिटी उसने कर रखी थी. Certain that he would not be disgracing them. आ गया ना कि he would not insult him and his prison. वो उसका और उसकी prison का अपमान नहीं करेगा. Not that Evans was a real burden. Not that Evans was a burden for him. नहीं ना, इसलिए इसलिए नहीं कि इवांस उसके लिए रियल बर्डन था. Just a persistent, he was a constant problem. He was a constant problem for governor. Nagging presence, really his constant presence, the presence of Evans, the constant or regular presence of Evans was disturbing governor. He would be all right in Oxford, no doubt. He is quite all right here in my prison. वो मेरी prison में बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक है, कोई problem नहीं है. The governor would see to that, and governor was taking or governor was looking into the matter deeply. Governor was looking into the matter deeply, and would see to it personally. The governor was taking personal interest in making all the arrangements for the examination for Evans. And besides, there was just a possibility that Evans was genuinely interested in O-level journalism, and there was a very slight or light possibility. Governor is thinking, if Evans was really interested, in examination or not, क्या Evans एग्जाम देने में इंटरेस्टेड है, और it might be his plan, or it might be his plan to run away from here, या उसका कोई प्लान है यहाँ से भागने के लिए. Just a slight possibility. It is a very slight possibility that Evans would be interested in his examination. ये बहुत ही कम पॉसिबिलिटी है कि Evans अपने एग्जाम में इंटरेस्टेड होगा. Just a very slight possibility, बहुत ही कम चांस है. At 8:30 p.m. on Monday, 7th June, Evans' German teacher shook him by the hand in heavily guarded recreational block. Evans' German teacher came, and he shook hand with the governor. In the recreational block. Actually, the